Well, it is Thursday morning at about 9:50 a.m. and we're about 2.5 days out from a monster Category 5 hurricane by the name of Irma. I'm on the Florida Turnpike now, driving north to Central Florida. You'd never know there'd be a hurricane coming. It was bright, sunny, with big, beautiful white clouds. Not the kind of rainy clouds, but puffy marshmallow types. And traffic is pretty moderate, actually. There's tractor trailers and cars, but not crazy, because it's Thursday morning and today is the 7th of September, I believe. Okay, signing out. Florida Turnpike heading northbound to Champions Gate under beautiful, clear weather. That's a cut.